Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Converse Fiber Xers ang Magnolia Hotshots 93-91. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Alec Stockton sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 7 rebounds at 10 assists. Nagtala naman si Justin Arana ng 24 points, 7 rebounds. Rakal 10 points. Check Diallo 10 points, 16 rebounds. Heading 8 points. Nag-ambag naman si Brian Santos ng 8 points. Andrada 5 points. Winston 5 points. Nieto 3 points. De Los Santos 2 points. Pinangunahan naman ni Ratliff ang natalong Magnolia Hotshots sa likod ng kanyang 25 points at 19 rebounds. Jerome Lastimosa 14 points. San Galang 12 points. Ahan Mise 12 points. Nag-ambag naman si Paulie ng 10 points. Zav Lucero 10 points. Mark Baroka 6 points. Lapot 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Meralco Bolts kontra sa Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 121-111. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Bong Quinto matapos humakot ng 20 points, 4 rebounds at 4 assists. Nagtala rin si Newsam ng 25 points, Rios 16 points, Torres 13 points, Almasan 12 points, Hodge 11 points. Nag-ambag naman si Anjo Karam ng 10 points, Aaron Black 9 points, Pascual 2 points, Jose 2 points, Pasaol 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, Dato 17 points, Nocom 15 points, Santillan 14 points, Clarito 13 points, Chungson 12 points, Karakot 11 points. Nagtala naman ng 9 points si Lemete, Belga 6 points, Norwood 5 points, Malunso 5 points, Eldefonso 2 points, Demuses 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 1, 2024. Northport Batangpier 2 wins 0 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 2 wins 0 loss. Meralco Bolts 2 wins 0 loss. Converse Fiber Xers 2 wins 1 loss. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win 1 loss. NLEX Road Warriors 1 win 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 0 win 1 loss. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win 2 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Phoenix Fuel Masters 0 win 2 losses. Blackwater Bossing 0 win 2 losses. Heto ang mga laro ng December 3, 2024 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game, magharap ang Tira Firma Jeep at NLEX Road Warriors alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang San Miguel Bermen at Phoenix Fuel Masters alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.